Okay, so we have a little bit of an extension here. So this is a little more challenging, but it's definitely going to be important when you get to different math classes along the way. So I wanted to just kind of quickly show you a video of what this extension really is. So this extension, you guys, it's essentially, if you don't have the same base, how we can do this. So you see like right here, I really need to distribute. Like this, that's what this is telling me. I have two different terms that I need to multiply. So to do this, you guys, I'm going to take my bases and I'm going to multiply them. So 17 times 2 is 34, and I keep my x. So now I have my new base. Well, I'm still multiplying my exponents, so I'm still going to add my exponents. So now my exponent would be 3 plus 10. And so now my new simplified term would be 34x to the 13th. Okay, so that's how you would do this one. Another way to look at it, what if we just had variables? So again, you guys, I'm just going to distribute. So my a is going to go to both numbers. So a times a times a plus a times b. So I have a to the second power plus ab. That one's a little kind of confusing. There is another way you can set it up. I could make a little frame, and I have some multiplication, so I put a dot in there. So my first term is a. That's this one. My second term, I'd put on the top a plus b. And I'm going to break this apart. A times a would be a squared. A times b would be ab. And I'd fill that in. So now I have a squared plus ab. What if I had a b on the outside instead? Same exact setup. I'd have a times b plus b times b, which simplifies to ab plus b squared. This last one's the hardest because it's a lot bigger. So this one with our distributing, I have to distribute my first number to both of these. So that leaves me with a times a plus ab. And now I have to distribute my second number as well. So now I have another AB, and I have a B times B. So I go through and I simplify. I have A squared plus 2ABs plus B squared. You can again use that method that I showed you, that first one. So if I set that up, I would have an A plus B on one side and A plus B on another. And this might be a little easier. There's not quite as much to work in. So I'm going to go through A times A squared. Then I have A times B, I have AB. Then I come to this B, and I have a B and an A, so AB. And then this last box, it's b times b, so b squared. And then I put that all together, which is how I got my equation here. So go ahead and just kind of keep this in the back of your head. It's not too important for the rest of the lesson, but it will be important carrying on.